Everybody, I'm back with a new demo here, actually showing off the MacBook Neo and my M1 Max, and that feature I was trying to show off last time where you can basically control my Mac here, M1 Max, with my setup that I have connected to it. And then also I can actually go and control my MacBook Neo when it's sitting right kind of nearby it. So let's see here, how can I do this best? So let's see, I'm going to do this. I'm going to move this over here so you can see this part, these two monitors. And yeah, we'll do this first. I put the settings in the beginning of this video, so you won't see any of that. But so yeah, basically my mouse here, over here, and I can just literally push over. Hey, look at that. Pretty neat. And then here, when we go back over here, I wonder if I can drag. What happens if I do that? I wonder. See if I can drag this app actually over. No, can't do that. That'd be too cool. I think you can copy and paste though. So yeah, so I'm here now. And then let's see here. We'll do a vice versa one. So here we go. I have not really set up very well for this demo here, unfortunately. So right here. Now we're gonna go over here. I'm gonna grab this window here. Oh yeah, look at that. Move that over there. Isn't that crazy? It probably does affect battery life, but you basically got to set both those settings on each of your Macs, and then you literally can go between the two, and like I can start working over here on this one. So let's see here, like there, look at that. Tech, yeah. Or you know, I'll go ahead and sit down at my desk here and be like, oh, you know, I gotta go do something in my Neo over here. Let's do some math. 6 plus 7 equals 13. Yeah, pretty neat. Okay, so there's that one demo. That's the control one with the display settings. The next one, people don't realize with Apple devices, when you're fully bought into the ecosystem, you really should learn how they all work, because it's pretty crazy what you can do here. So, okay, I should stay over here. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to show off AirPlay features that you can use. Basically what we're going to do is AirPlay and AirPlay Receiver settings. So I have both my Macs, the Neo and the M1, set up with these settings. And then I got my iPhone mini 13 here. I'm signed into all the iCloud accounts on each of these, of course. So, and then I have a HomePod mini over there on my desk too. So let's see here. Okay, we'll start here. Okay, here we go. I don't know how this is gonna work. We'll do it. I just got some music that I use for background music that's copyright free. Playing here. Okay, let's see here. We're gonna do. Oh, hang on. Oh, fail. It's funny, I haven't done this in so long. Actually, what am I saying? I just did. So there, you'll see all my devices here. MacBook Neo, HomePod mini. So let's do that. Oh, sorry about the camera. I got a tripod. Oh, what? You want more than just your Neo playing? Oh, we'll throw a HomePod mini in there too now. Oh, should you change all the volumes at once? Oh, what the heck? How about the MacBook too? So right now I'm outputting audio to 3 different devices from my phone right now. What the hell? I have a code on there, I don't know why. Okay, we got 4 devices playing right now from my iPhone. I could throw 5 on there too, my little Roku here, but that's overkill. This is all from one little phone, isn't that crazy? So yeah, turn off the TV. I'll turn off the MacBook. Yeah, pretty neat, huh? So yeah, you can literally use, like, you know, if you have an iPhone or an iPad, you have your MacBook Neo hooked up to, let's say, a decent stereo system, you can just use, you know, your iPhone to control, send anything from your iPhone over to it. So there you go. That's my demo for y'all.